Interior One Multi-Purpose Cleaner is the easiest all-in-one solution for removing stains and odors on interior surfaces, including carpets, upholstery fabrics, plastics, and vinyl. Before using, vacuum any loose dirt, shake the can well, and spray onto the carpet. Detach the removable scrub brush, and then rub the foam into the carpet until the foam disappears. Use a clean microfiber towel to absorb all the dirt and the grime. Or finish by vacuuming. Use the same process for fabric. After vacuuming, spray onto the fabric, using the scrub brush to rub the foam into the fabric, and use a clean microfiber cloth to absorb the dirt that has come to the surface. For heavy stains, spray the foam and wait 1 minute before scrubbing. Reapply if necessary. For vinyl and plastic cleaning, spray the foam onto the surface, then firmly wipe with a clean microfiber cloth.